welcome everyone. So we are into the fifth module of this AI in healthcare, which is going to talk about prompt engineering. To take us through this journey, we have Mr. Lakshminarayanan G. He's a strategic AI and Gen AI leader with over 2 decades of experience. He is a guy who drove large-scale digital transformations across BFSI, CPG, and various technology sectors. He's a 2-time TEDx speaker and trusted advisor to the institutes like ISRO and most of the leading IIMs. He built world-class AI practices and delivered over 20 millions in measurable impact. His expertise spans in GPT-4, Azure OpenAI, RAG systems, Python, and many more. To take us through this journey, we have another expert, but not from the tech background, from the medical background, Dr. Kiran Peddi, who is a consultant gastroenterologist working at Hyderabad. He is an AI enthusiast, and just to tell that he's one of the very few people who is accredited international MRCP examiner in India. Over to you, Dr. Lakshminarayanan, how you are going to just take us through this journey.
Thank you very much, sir. So prompt engineering for doctors. So that's a topic we'll be discussing with everyone. And if I have to give a brief introduction about this topic. So doctors, what if I tell you that you can save 1 hour every single day by using AI as a friend, AI as a co-pilot in your everyday life? Not by replacing your clinical judgment, but I can help you use GPT Gemini to help you document faster, explain better, and research smarter. There is a very thin line that separates an average AI output and clinically useful AI, and that's what prompt engineering is. In this short session of 1 hour, I'll show you how to structure prompts which can help you to write discharge summaries, patient communication, maybe sometimes literature reviews, or even differential diagnosis support that you want in a safe and responsible manner. How to use AI, we'll be discussing it. So if you are a doctor who wants to work smarter with AI, this session is for you. Come and join me.
Thank you. That's super good. Very exciting. Kiran, why is it important? I mean, Lakshminarayanan sir told, starting from the discharge summary to the differential diagnosis. So what are the apprehensions doctors have? How you are going to moderate this?
I mean, first of all, listening to introduction by Mr. Lakshminarayanan, it looks very, very exciting topic. I can't wait to attend the session and moderate that. Gives me great pleasure to do that. So as I understand the prompt engineering, it's basically everybody now is using AI. AI is there. We have to adopt to it. How best we can use AI is different from one person to other person. And especially, as Mr. Lakshminarayanan said, it differentiates a good AI user to an average AI user. It's like, if you compare the analogy, or as medical doctors and all, we are always trained under professors in terms of history taking, case presentations, differential diagnosis, and all these things. So when we take history taking from patient, we have a structure to it. Past medical history, drug history, allergy history, surgical history, we have a definite structure to it. Similarly, I think when we are using prompt engineering to get the best out of LLM, we need to have some structure to it, if I'm right. So we need to give a good context. We need to define what are all the parameters we are asking. And we also need to probably put some guardrails to say that don't go out of this context, and then expect or give instruction what exactly we are expecting. This context creation and structure input is very important in my opinion. So unless we do that, we are going to get not so good information out of whatever the model we are using. And that there's a common saying, everybody is saying that garbage in, garbage out. So unless you have good quality prompt, you're not going to get good quality output out of it. So for that, I think we will be very eagerly waiting to hear from experts like Mr. Lakshminarayanan, who is going to teach us what is the best techniques and how to create good context, and then get the maximum out of the model, whatever model, whether it's GPT, whether it's Gemini, whatever it is. But it will be very exciting and introductory session, I think.
Thank you, Kiran. Hope that you're going to take up all the questions which are there in the YouTube chat and then just try to moderate with Lakshminarayanan to help the clearing the doubts. And
Sure.
see you on 18th February, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Stay tuned. Thank you.